Locos, yes, and Veggie Tales, no presents. DIC Entertainment logo bloopers. Take one. SpongeBob? It's not Crescent. It's DIC Entertainment. Try again. Take two.
Disney XD. I used to be a number one huge fan of Disney XD. Me too. Me too. Me four.
Alright, you had your fun. Now let's get serious.
Only peanut and butter jelly sandwiches. The logo crashed. For the bummer.
SpongeBob!
You mellowed. Spiffy pictures. What are you guys going into?
Well, SpongeBob keeps screwing up the DIC Entertainment logo from 1998. That's why I turned it to spiffy pictures.exe.
Well, if I screw it up, this is what you're gonna get for being a jerk to me a lot.
Wait, what? Oh my god! It's the DIC Entertainment logo from 1990.
That's right. Spiffy pictures. I am here to take your soul.
What? No.
Yes.
Well, here we go again. Time to save Spiffy from yet another scary logo. You're not gonna hurt my friend Spiffy Pictures. He's my friend at Jack's Big Music Show. Take that. Thanks, Noggin. You saved my life once again. You're welcome. I might have a text-to-speech voice though. Alright, everybody, let's try it again from the top. Take it again. Take it easy, Spiffy Pictures. SpongeBob told me he screwed it up. This is what he was gonna get for being a jerk to him a lot. Remain calm. Uh-oh. Meltdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No. Dang it. Crap. SpongeBob, this is what you get for being a jerk to me. Because you made me throw out my tongue. You jerk.
Oh my god, Spiffy! Are you okay?
Yes, Scotty, I'm alright. It's just that SpongeBob freaks me out every time I have to throw a meltdown about him. It's because he kind of screws up the DIC 1998 DIC logo. Let's try it again from the top again. Take it again.
SpongeBob. You mellowed.
Sam. One of the good old days.
Who knows? Not to tell unless you can look. What do you want now, guys?
Well, Noggin, as you can see, we were trying to make over.
That is right, she did. We needed to do this so hard.
Well, that wasn't supposed to happen.
If you don't stop talking back, we will fart all over you. That's it. Yes? Take that.
Alright, peeps. Let's try the DIC Entertainment 1998 logo one more time. Roll camera. Cue the DIC Entertainment 1998 logo. In 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. We did it.
How about we go home and just chillax for a while? Good idea, Lego man. This has been the Spiffy Pictures Logos Yes and Veggie Tales No. The DIC Entertainment logo. Thanks for watching. Peace out.